Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a customer onboarding dashboard in HubSpot in just a few simple steps. Click Automation in the left sidebar to open the reporting menu. Click Dashboards and wait for the current dashboard view to load. Click the Create Dashboard button at the top of the page to open the template selection screen. Click Create Dashboard again to continue. Customer Onboarding into the search bar, then clear it by clicking the X button. Click the New Dashboard button to open the creation dialog. Click into the dashboard name field and Customer Onboarding as your dashboard name. Click the Select Tags dropdown. You can add tags here to organize your dashboards, but for this example, I'll leave it blank. Click Create Dashboard in the modal to save it, and a confirmation message appears at the top of the screen. Your new empty onboarding dashboard loads in the main view. Click the Add Content button to open the Reports panel on the right. Click Manage Dashboards, then click Onboarding in the list to navigate back to your dashboard. Customer Onboarding Dashboard reloads in edit mode. Click Add Content again to reopen the Reports panel. Click the Add button on the Open Deals Not Contacted Recently report card to add it to your dashboard, and a confirmation message appears. After adding a report, you can drag it to reposition it anywhere on your dashboard layout. If you want to add more reports later, click Add Content again and browse the available options. You can filter reports by type using the drop-down at the top of the panel to find exactly what you need. To delete a report from your dashboard, hover over it and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then select Remove. And that's how to set up a customer onboarding dashboard in HubSpot. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.